Right? It looks so beautiful. I know. It's kind of cool in the afternoon, but not in the waking up for work part. It's one less hour of sleep. But man, look at that. It's so amazing. I love sunsets, dude. I could live in these forever. And then, oh my gosh, and then the birds just add to it. You see all the pink, dude, and the blue? Oh my gosh. And then I need like to get a recliner chair and just like sit right here with it reclined up so I can just watch the sky. I need to get me one of those. Look, we have more. Look at it. Like they're all going somewhere. They probably have a reunion. Hey, where y'all going? Tell us, please. Shit. I want to go. I want to go. Where's the party at? I know, right? What about a video? That's what I'm doing. I'm recording a video. Damn. Oh, oh man. Look at how many more are coming, dude. This is like a show of abundance right here in my backyard. Like, what? Because they're going somewhere. I'm telling you, look, they're all following each other. I want to go, guys. Can somebody come get me?